Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how you can earn bitcoins in a very easy and legit way. So let's start. First, open a browser. Now go to freeskins.com. To continue, you have to create an account on this website. To create an account, tap on three bars on top right corner. And you'll see an option to sign in with Google. Tap on that and create your account. I have already created mine, so let's continue. On this website, you can earn coins by doing many free tasks and surveys and many more. And you can turn those coins into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and you can also send them to your CSGO or even on your Fortnite. Now let's see how you can earn coins on this website. Now tap on Earn at the bottom of the screen. Here you can see you can take surveys and you can also test some apps and watch videos. If you want to take a survey, then tap on Surveys. And if you want to test an app, then tap on the app, see the requirements and then tap on Start Offer. You have to complete the requirements to attain the specified amount of coins. Now let's see how you can withdraw. Now tap on Withdraw at the bottom of the screen. Here you can see you can send the coins onto your Fortnite account as well as your CSGO account. You can also redeem Visa gift card, Amazon gift card, Steam gift card, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and even into PayPal. To withdraw Bitcoin, select Bitcoin. Now scroll down. Now enter your Bitcoin address and then the amount of coin you want to transfer as Bitcoin. Now scroll down and tap on Withdraw. And the equivalent amount of Bitcoin will be sent to your Bitcoin account. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.